Hi everybody, welcome back to Freshco Graphics. Today, we'll talk about bright and airy living room design ideas. Hopefully, the pictures presented will provide inspiration for all of you. Let's just get started. A bright and airy living room can make your space feel bigger, more inviting, and more relaxing. It's the perfect place to unwind after a long day or gather with family and friends. With the right design elements, you can create a living room that's full of light, warmth, and style. The first step to creating a bright and airy living room is to choose the right color scheme. Opt for light and neutral colors like white, beige, or pale gray for your walls, ceiling, and flooring. This will reflect the natural light and create a sense of openness in the room. You can add pops of color through your furniture, accent pieces, or artwork. Another key element is to incorporate natural materials into your design. Wood, bamboo, or jute rugs, and wicker or rattan furniture can add a warm and natural feel to your space. They can also help to create an inviting atmosphere. To enhance the natural light, you can add mirrors to your living room. Mirrors reflect light and create an illusion of a bigger space. You can hang one large statement mirror or arrange a grouping of smaller ones on a wall. In terms of furniture, choose pieces that are proportional to your living room space. Avoid oversized furniture that can make the room feel cramped. Consider using furniture with exposed legs, as it will create a sense of space and lightness in the room. Lastly, add a touch of greenery to your living room. Indoor plants can purify the air and add a natural element to your space. You can choose a large floor plant, a hanging plant, or a cluster of small potted plants on a shelf. In conclusion, designing a bright and airy living room is all about creating a sense of openness and warmth. By using light colors, natural materials, mirrors, proportional furniture, and indoor plants, you can create a living room that is both relaxing and inviting. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. I hope this video helps you to make a living room design ideas. Thank you.